Hey, what's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down the exercise, let me go ahead and review it for those of you who didn't get a chance to see it on TikTok. Alright, so this exercise helps with a few things. There's certainly some strumming accuracy going on, there's some fretting accuracy going on, and most importantly, we're working on triad inversions. And triad means that it's a 3-note chord. So we're playing a C major triad, and then we're playing an E minor triad. And then we're moving up the neck, and we're playing a C major triad up here, and then we're playing an E minor triad up here. And the first variation we play is lower on the neck, and that's 5, 5, 3, and then that's 4, 5, 3, and then we're moving up the neck, and we're going 9, 8, 8, and then we're going in 9, 8, 7. And let's just say we're throwing in the pinky for some added flavor. And it's the same thing further up the neck, it just changes a little bit based on the position. So have fun with this, play it at a speed that allows you to play everything perfectly, and save your energy for all the stuff you really want to work on, all the songs you want to play and the solos you want to dive into. And we'll see you next time.